Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure firmware is V2. 6. 0 or later and the unit has at least 50% battery or is plugged in because updates can fail on low power. Once done, install the Lightning Launch 2K26 app and accept USB or Bluetooth permissions. The app needs direct access. Now place the device on a flat, stable surface and enable developer mode if the guide requires it. This unlocks advanced launch controls and prevents accidental interrupts. You proceed by running the app setup wizard and choosing a launch profile between 1 and 5 based on your payload and environment, because profile selection optimizes power and timing. Then calibrate sensors. Follow the on-screen sequences to 0 tilt and gyroscope readings and set trigger sensitivity to avoid false positives. Next, assign macros and safety interlocks. These link conditions to actions. Make sure to run a dry run test so the system simulates a launch without firing actuators, confirming timing and responses. You're ready to execute. Arm the sequence only after following the checklist, enable safety lock, and initiate the countdown. While launching, monitor live telemetry, watch voltage, temperature, GPS accuracy, and signal percentage, so you can abort if any parameter drifts outside safe limits. If something goes wrong, stop immediately, retrieve the error logs from the app, and review the fault codes. Often a profile reset or a sensor recalibration fixes common issues. Finally, verify hardware mounts before reattempting to avoid repeating failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.